Did you know a serial killer once helped police investigate his own murders? Edmund Kemper stood 6 feet 9 inches tall with an IQ of 145. He was a giant with a brilliant mind who used both to become one of America's most terrifying killers. At 15, he murdered his own grandparents. Years later, he began hunting college students. But here's what made Kemper different. While police searched for the co-ed killer, Kemper would drink at their favorite bars. He'd buy officers beers and listen to them discuss the case. His case, he'd pick up hitchhiking students, kill them, then drive straight to those same police bars, body parts still in his car outside. For months, he sat next to the very detectives hunting him. They never suspected the friendly giant buying rounds. Kemper dismembered his victims, kept their heads as trophies, committed unspeakable acts with their bodies. When he finally killed his mother, he called police himself. His chilling confessions helped create modern criminal profiling, a monster who helped us understand monsters.